blade grinding machine is mainly used for whole production line blade maintenance purpose. If your production line has flat blades, shaping blades, etc., you may also need to consider buying one set of blade sharpening machine. We need to do regular grinding of the blades. If you wish to know more information about this machine, don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you for choosing Best Machine China. For detailed project proposal and price list, welcome to contact us by email or by WhatsApp. This number is our WhatsApp number. Welcome to add our WeChat. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Best Machine China insists high-quality machine and professional service. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Wishing you a great success in this project.